So I had a customer that wanted his website translated, and the problem was that the customer did not provide the text in a Word document or any sort of document. The text is on the website. As you can see, the website has been made by Visual Composer, so it has a lot of accordions and different little effects. My first thought was to use DeepL, but the first problem with DeepL, as you can see, we cannot copy all of the text. So I had to think of something else. Otherwise, it would take ages to copy paste all the different sections of the web page. So my first thought was to go to the back end of WordPress and see what we can do from there. Keep in mind this is using WP Bakery or Visual Composer. So I turned it into classic mode and copied all the text, thinking that this was the best way to go about doing this. And the first problem that we run into, as you can see, is obviously the limit. You have to sign in. We don't want to sign in. We don't want to pay for anything. We just want to do the work as fast as possible. There was another problem that we'll get into a little bit later with DeepL not keeping all the HTML intact and translating only the text. So obviously, second course of action. Copy the text with the HTML, of course. And try Google Translate. Same problem with Google. Limit on the text. Google does a better job of keeping the HTML intact, but the translation is not as good as DeepL. So now I had started thinking that this project of translating this whole website from English into Greek would take me about a month. I tried different methods, copying the text from a plain text editor in WordPress. So the last thought I had was why not try ChatGPT? So here we go again, copying all the text, and this time pasting it again into Google Translate Obviously, you'd have to copy paste it by also changing pages. As you can see, it's not. Also very time consuming. Trying different things over here. You have to copy paste the text. If you make a mistake and you don't copy and paste the second page, Visual Composer will not display everything the way it's supposed to display it. And the third try was, let's see what ChatGPT can do for us. So, third try, decided to give ChatGPT a chance. Asked it if it could translate from English to Greek, keeping all HTML tags intact. Let's see what ChatGPT has to offer. Keep in mind, this is a lot of text, and to my surprise, not only does it translate it all, but also gives it to you in clean code, so you can copy paste back into the website. This saved me days of work. I'm not sure if this is the best way to go about it. I couldn't find anything to a plugin for Visual Composer to connect to the DeepL API. If anybody knows a better way of translating pages, please comment and tell me. We did also go through the translation process, and it's done a very good job. have to go page by page with Google. Can be done, but more time consuming. And the translations, not that good.